Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. This is the last year decorating ideas in my great room, and this year is I did similar setting as last year because I really love it and I hope you get some inspiration. So today I'm showing you how I decorate my mantel. Please keep watching. So over here I have my command hook there and I put E6000. This garland right here, this is from Walmart, and actually this one is from my stairway last year, but I used it in my mantle this year because it was flat. Last year I did really very full decorating here in my mantle, but this year I would like it to be toned it down, so I'm mixing the crystal, gold, black, and some silver. Sorry guys about my voice, I'm having this allergy again because it's very cold here in Ohio, so I apologize if you can tell my voice is not so good today. I'm using what I have last year. The only one new here is the bell and ornaments, and also I upgrade my decoration in my fireplace and I changed it to mirror. The clock now is in Steve's basement because he loves it and he actually picked those clock. Over here guys, my tree came from Bed Bath and Beyond, and I'm decorating also my small little tree here. I'm thinking if I should put fairy lights there, but I changed my mind and I would like it to be very simple. As I said in my last video of my shopping haul, my color this year will be emerald green, gold, white, black, and a little bit of silver and crystal. So you will see this in our downstairs. My tips, if some of you over here, your fireplace is stone like what we have here, in order for you to, your garland will be really secured, you will use command hook and E6000 plus and leave it overnight. That's what I do here in this mantle. Now let's move on to my console table.
Keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Everyone, welcome to our great room and I hope you enjoy.
Everything will be okay, 'cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow
Over here, my inspiration is Glam Forest, and I would like the deer sitting in a lot of glam branches, and also I would like to have a greenery here which is tied with the emerald green. That's why I bought those bow as well.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for
Let me know what you think about my styling ideas in my fireplace. Do you like it or not?
nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week.
Guys, you can see the sneak peek of my tree there is not fully decorated because I would like to show you how I decorate those tree. Here I did an easy DIY for my candle to tie up my emerald green.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.
If you like this video today, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so all the time I upload new videos, you will be notified. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Glamour Ellen, and also my Facebook is Glamour Ellen. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy Thanksgiving guys for tomorrow. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving with your family. Bye-bye. Be safe.